Chao San, on Taytay, Singsang. I am Amelita Clemenya. I am 33 years old. I am single mother. I graduated the course Associate in Computer Science and proceeded caregiver. I have experience as a domestic helper in Hong Kong for 2 years. That was February 15, 2010 to February 15, 2012. I do the household chores like cooking, cleaning the house, taking care of an elderly, ironing, and especially if given a chance to have to take care of children, and then I can. If, Sir, Madam, I will do my best to be your domestic helper if given a chance, and I will promise that I will do it till the end of my contract. That's all. Thank you.